Howdy. All right, number 5. The arithmetic. So the difference between the one above us and this one was it said geometric. Look, see? Geo. This one, arith. Geo, arith. They're different. They have different formulas. Arithmetic is going to look like this. Okay? So that changes things big time. So let's see here. I've got the 7th term is 54. So t sub 7 equals 54. Therefore, 54 equals a plus n minus 1. Oh, I goofed. My n is going to be 7. D. So take out the magical corrective tape, and we'll make that 7. Over here, you've got t of 15 equals 110. Therefore, 110 equals a plus 15 minus 1d. Look what I get. I get a plus 14d. I get 54 equals a plus 6d. Call this equation 1. Call this equation 2. I'm going to do some elimination. But the elimination is not going to be through the division, because the division was needed for the geometric, okay? So we're going to put these together. And we're going to put this one below it. And if I want to get rid of the a's, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to subtract them, not divide them. 110 subtract 54. 56. A subtract A. No more A's. That's why we do this. 14 subtract 6. 8. Divide both sides by 8. 56 divided by 8. 7. D equals 7. If I want to know what the A value is, I plug it into either number 1 or number 2. Sub D equals 7 into... I'm going to put it into 1 because it's smaller numbers and it's over here. It doesn't scare me as much. So it's going to be 54 equals A plus 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 52. 52 is going to come over to the other side. So 54 minus 52. Don't go anywhere, Brianna. I'm going to be right with you. So that means A equals 2. Got kids coming in here trying to escape. All right, see, I got A equals 2. It's going to go in there. I got D equals 7. It's going to go in there. That means it's going to be T sub N equals 2 plus bracket N minus 1. And the D value is 7. And then it asks for the first 3 terms. So the first term, T. Did it ask for a simplified expression? Of course it did. So it's going to be T of N equals 2 plus 7N minus 7, which is going to be 7N minus 5. So now if I wanted T sub N, well, that is T sub N. If I wanted T sub 1, the first 3 terms would be 7 minus 5, 2. Yeah, that works. And then you would want the second term, the N would be 2, so it would be 7 times 2 is 14 minus 5, and that would be 9. And then the third one would be 3 times 7 is 21 minus 5. 16. There you go. All right, I'm going to stop here and we'll be back in a minute.